In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this block text animation. I have been testing to produce the best looking result, and I have tried using 3 modifiers on a mesh. As we can see, this is a mesh converted text object. I'm using decimate, solidify, and remesh modifiers. But the first 2 modifiers are optional in certain setup situations. By scaling the remesh modifier scale, we can achieve this result. I tried quite a number of modifier setups, but this was not the best one. As we can see, the decimate modifier won't make much differences when disabled. The solidify modifier was used because the original text object was not extruded. I'll show you why this example was not the best one available. What would happen if we just use an extruded text object with a remesh modifier? This is how we copy the modifier settings, but the remesh scale animation part is not going to be copied. As we can see, if we increase or decrease the remesh scale value, we're getting the same result. Let's try extruding the text object and removing the solidify modifier. Almost the same, but the initial cube is going to be too big. Other than that, it's almost the same. Unlike the first example, the text object was not converted to a mesh. So, it's a non-destructive text object that can be edited. The first example was not the best one available because we didn't have to convert the text, nor use the solidify modifier. The best setup is to use the original text object, extrude it as a text, and only use the remesh modifier. That was what I wanted to show you. You must try all available methods to find the best setup for your needs, and only use that setup for such projects in the future. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.